For over 8 decades, Cotabato Light has championed innovation as the bedrock of our operations. We empower progress and light the way forward for our community.
In 2020, we started on a transformative journey to enhance our services. We recognized that the improvement was essential to meet the growing needs and expectations of our community.
After years of collaboration and dedication, we knew we needed a system that connected us better with our community. A system that empowered both our teams and the people we serve.
And so, Cotabato Light created the Line Hazard and Obstruction Reporting app, or LoRa, to respond faster.
Before, we had software that took time to detect and dispatch crews to address concerns. But with LoRa, customer satisfaction has improved because the app prioritizes urgent issues. We also receive reports from various platforms, text, social media, expanding our reach beyond traditional communication channels.
Mas madali yung LoRa sa amin kasi you don't need na mag-call pa na, kumusta yung ni-report namin? Kasi doon sa LoRa mismo, nandoon yung status ng report mo. Nandoon yung na-accomplish na ba nila, dispatch na ba. Mas naging madali yung buhay namin.
It takes the entire community to guarantee safety at the grassroots level. LoRa has become an extended hand helping us reach people even in the smallest barangays. I'm impressed to see how barangay officials are now actively involved after they realize the app's potential. Broken wire, LoRa. Kahit entangled in wires, LoRa.
With strategic development of 2 to 3 crews, we are able to respond faster than ever before. Our goal? A 30-minute response time on high-priority issues, so you're never left in the dark.
Every call, every emergency is a reminder of why we do what we do. A call for help and a crew is on the way, because your safety is our priority.
At the heart of our mission is safety and reliability. With each advancement, it has paved a way to work to achieve zero casualties. Nothing matters more than making sure our clients and teams return home safe.
The biggest fire incidents that we responded, actually this is the opportunity that we're going to thank Cotabato Light because of their immediate response. We have, that was 2017, 100 residential homes ang nasunog dito sa atin, and this poblacion is one of the major fire-prone area ng Cotabato City. So, ang ano natin doon is ang fire trucks natin ay hindi po nakakapasok agad-agad because we need to activate our pre-fire planning. So, one of the big factor na kung saan nakapasok po ang ating mga kabomberuan, ang Cotabato City firefighting personnel is because of the immediate response of our Cotabato Light.
Thank you sa team na gumawa ng LoRa app kasi kahit pa paano, aliasin yung trabaho, tsaka hindi mo na kailangan, yung presence mo kailangan magpunta sa office, ganun ba? Nakatulong sila na, yun nga, hindi na masyado matrabaho ang pag-report.
Innovation, dedication, and service focus. This is the Cotabato Light's promise.
Join us in our journey towards innovation and service. Cotabato Light, empowering the evolution of our cities.